Hare Krishna. So in our last English session, we discussed about Saranagati, surrendering unto the Supreme Lord. And now in this session, in our English session, we will see how we have to change to advance in devotional service. And the name of this session is Change of Heart. We have to change many things in our life to advance in devotional service. The first thing we have to know that we are hearing, chanting, performing seva, doing many other activities. But we are not feeling that much close to Krishna. Why? There is some mistake which we are doing. And we have to learn properly, we have to apply proper formula, then only it is possible to advance in bhakti, in devotional life. Unless we apply the appropriate formula, it is not possible to advance in devotional service. So the first defect which we have is to have the tendency to control over this material nature. Krishna is saying, Bhumir apo nala vayur khang manya buddhiye vacha. So we are trying to control all these elements. 5 gross elements, 5 subtle elements, 3 subtle elements. We are trying to control everything. Where Krishna is saying, Prakrite kriyamanani gunai karmani sarvasa ahankara vimudatma kartaham iti manyate. Everything is controlled by Krishna. And foolish soul thinks that he is controlling everything. So the first thing which we have to do is to give up controlling over this material nature. We have to know that we are das, we are servant. Practically we are servant. Even if one doesn't believe in God also, you see in family life, the husband is serving the wife is serving the husband, the wife is serving the children, everyone is serving everyone. The husband has to go to the office early in the morning and come back in the evening, and whole day he has to work like ass. For why he is working so hard? For his family. That means he is the servant of the family. So our original constitutional position is to be a servant. But we do not know that our original constitutional position is to be the servant of the Lord. But now we are serving the external potency of the Lord, that is Maya. It is due to our ignorance. We have to give up this controlling tendency. This is the first thing which we have to do. The second thing which we have to do is to give up all the desire for sense enjoyment. The desire should be zero. If you are not able to do it on your own, then you have to have a counselor to consult with. It is mentioned in the Shastra. Rupa Goswami is saying, Guhyam Akhyati Prakhyati. You have to open your heart to your counselor and say, Prabhuji, I am not able to control this and such things. So that expert devotee will prescribe how to control, how to become desireless. Desireless means desire to act, to control this material world. It should be zero. The second thing is to understand that we should not waste a single moment. Time is very much valuable. The most precious thing in this world is time. The moment which is past, you cannot get it back even if you spend millions of dollars. Even if you spend millions and trillions of dollars, you cannot get it back. It is most precious. And we, foolish people, are wasting our time. We have got very small period to go back home, back to Godhead. If we live hardly for 60 or 70 years, it is very less time to cross this material world. But still, we can do it by the mercy of Guru and Gauranga. So the first thing which we have to do is to give up controlling over this material nature. The second, we should have desireless, means not to enjoy our senses. The third is to avyartha kalatyam, means not wasting time. The fourth is to have taste in taking the holy name. I saw many devotees saying, I have completed my rounds. What do you mean you have completed your rounds? Round is not completed. Rounds cannot be completed. 16 rounds is the minimum. You have to chant more and more and more. Whenever you get time, you have to chant. So we are satisfied when we complete our 16 round. That is not proper. When one feels that I need to get more time to chant, I am not getting enough time, this 16 round is very less for me, I have to increase. Then Krishna will accept his chanting. Means he is getting taste in chanting. One who feels that somehow to complete this 16 rounds will help me to go back. Of course he will go back, but it doesn't mean that he will go back in this lifetime if the chanting is not proper. Prabhupada always used to say, chant sincerely. We don't focus on this word sincerely. We just took the Prabhupada sentence, chanting 16 rounds. And we gave up sincerely. The word sincerely is very significant. We have to be sincere in chanting. So these are the things we need to change, have change in our life. Hare Krishna.